Okay, so looking at these examples, on 90, I'm going to go ahead and plug that into my calculator. So I'm going to hit the y equals button in the top left of my calculator. And I'm going to say 90 divided by x. And then I'm going to hit second table and go to my table of values. And I'm looking for a perfect square. And I see 1 and 90, 2 and 45, 3 and 30, 5 and 18, 6 and 15. But if I go down to 10 and 9, that's my first perfect square. So that'll save me a little bit of time. Let me get my pencil. Okay, so we're going to do the little ladder or factorization tree, whatever you call it. And we're going to say 10 and 9. And recognize 9's a perfect square. So that I can pull that out of the house. It comes out the square root of 9, which is 3, and they pair up. It's like if I were to do this, and then I have two pairs, and they got married, and they got to come out of the house. But I don't have to do all that work, as long as I know that I know my perfect squares. So the 3 is going to come out of the house, and the 10 can be broken down even further into 5 and 2, but you'll recognize that because they're the only ones left over and they're prime, they're going to just multiply together. So 5 times 2, and that's going to give me 3 radical 10. This one, I can use 5 and 10. Whoa, no I can't. I can use 5 and 4. 4 is a perfect square, so I can pull that out of the house as a single 2, and then that leftover 5 right here stays inside of the house.